2 or 5? Number 5. Bottom one. Anybody know what movie that's from? How's that sports package, Bernie? Todd Gurley. That's right, Wolf Moon, that's right. Cable Guy. Duke Johnson. Vince Mail. Pink. Brashad Perryman. I think that's the short print version. Brashad Perryman. Numbered 7 of only 15. I thought that was the short print. Numbered only 15 on those. Brashad Perryman. Austin Hill Blue. Jeremy Maclin. Mario Williams. Alex Carter. Devin Funches. Yeah, Kenny, a ton of stuff comes out the week. I think there's, if you ordered everything, I think it's around 13 releases this week. Jameis Winston. Devin Funches. Ben Roethlisberger, Justin Hardy. Dez Bryant. Black Diamond Hockey comes out tomorrow too. I didn't put a break together for that. Still can if we have enough interest. Nelson Aguilar. Should be pretty nice. It has diamonds and stuff in it. Jeff Hewerman. Shaq Thompson. Kenny, we broke 9 of them yesterday, yeah. Brashad Perryman. Jay Ajayi and Devin Smith refractors. Jay was the pink. Adrian Peterson. Paul Dawson, P.J. Williams. Oh, you got 2 autographs. Clive Walford. Gave you a bonus. Matter of fact, I think that's the 7th box in this case that is given a bonus autograph. You're only supposed to get 1. We've had a lot of our cases have only been 1 autograph. That one's number 200. I think this case was messed up somehow. Jamal Charles. So 6th or 7th box with 2 autographs. Kelvin Benjamin. And Peyton Manning. Alright, I felt like there was a pack in there. But it balled up. Alright, we have 2 autographs. Brashad Perryman, number to 15. Clive Walford, number to 100. Walford on card, Perryman sticker. Actually, scratch that. Perryman on card too. Both are on card. I thought that Perryman was a sticker. Pretty cool. A couple short prints. Bernie, thanks buddy. We'll get it on the way.